kill. Quad kill.
It's just us. So tell me what you've been thinking of. 'Cause it's been rough on me, love. Tell me I'm not the only one that's been thinking of the times we had when we were young. Reminiscing, man, I'm missing back when we were dumb. Now there's talk of someone else, I know you're moving on. I can't bring myself to do the same, you're all I want. I don't wanna where you been with, I don't wanna think about it. I can't bear the thought of you with someone else is scaring me to. Where you been with, I don't wanna think about it. So go ahead and tell me just how good it's really been. I'm starting to think that I cannot just be your friend, but I don't wanna lose you, but I think I might have to. But it's hard when I just keep on thinking about the times we had when we were young. Reminiscing and I'm missing back when we were dumb. Now there's talk of someone else, I know you're moving on. I can't bring myself to do the same, you're all I want. Tell me about all the people you're seeing and all the things that you did last weekend. 'Cause you know how I'm feeling. Think I would rather just hear you lie. 'Cause I don't wanna know where you been and who you been with. I don't wanna think about it. No, I can't bear the thought of you with someone else is killing me to. No, where you been and who you been with. I don't wanna think about it. No, I don't wanna. Where you been and who you been with. I don't wanna think about it. No, I can't bear the thought of you with someone else is killing me to. No, where you been and who you been with. I don't wanna think about it.
Kill.